everybody. It is Sunday, December 31st, the last day of 2023. Thank God. Thank God. I'm looking forward to 2024. I'm starting a new job again. Looking forward to doing a lot of stuff this year. I really need to rebuild my PC at home. Everything in there is from 2015, except for the video card, which is a 3070 Ti. So it's got a good GPU, but the rest of the system's holding it back. It has a hard time editing 4K video, and it's getting pretty tired. That old poor bastard. Also this year, I'm hoping to get into a house out of my apartment. It's been rough not having a garage to work on my vehicles in. The housing market here in Phoenix is just insane, so I looked around for a house, but there was nothing just available. It was too much of a pain in the ass, and I was in too much of a time crunch to get into one. So I've been doing the apartment thing for the last year, which, you know, it's been fine, but I've got a XR 650L dirt bike, dual sport, that kind of just needs to be restored. And I'd like to get a garage going where I can get that thing all spread out and take care of it. It needs a lot of stuff. It could use a top end rebuild. It doesn't necessarily have to have one, but it wouldn't hurt. Beautiful day. It's got to be 65 out here. Got a hoodie on under the jacket. Feeling pretty good, pretty nice. We're getting close to the 8,000 mile mark on the R7. It's going to be ready for a new air filter. It's going to be ready for coolant change. It's going to need a new rear tire before too long. This thing puts out a whopping 75 horsepower, so it's actually kind of easy on tires. The rear's about ready to be changed. The front's fine. I might get some aftermarket levers, but I mean, these things are really, they work just fine. Green, you bastard. Green, you bastard. No, it's not going to turn green. Ooh, little Miata. Indeed, Miata. Sweet. Really wanted one of those for a long time. Before I got into bikes, I have not ridden. I've been so busy, I haven't ridden the R7 in about 3 weeks. I was hoping the battery wouldn't be dead, and it was just fine. Did just fine. Little baby, sweet little baby. I don't know if I could ever get rid of this bike. I've kind of had my eye on the Yoshi airbox for this bike. It's $500 though. Like, come on, dude. Come on, Yoshi. Major pain to install as well. Got to take the fuel tank off. You are also introducing a foam filter that has to be cleaned every 7 hours or something like that. I don't know, but it might be worth it. It might be worth it for them gains. It's such a happy little bike. Such a happy little bike. Oh, slow down, Maurice. I kind of wanted to shoot through there, but I'm scared. Nice blue. What is that? Oh, it's GTI. I guess we'll just sit here, because that silver car right there, just like I thought, was not going to stop. Do a little highway time. The bike hasn't been out for 3 weeks. Might be good to take it out on the highway and just let it kind of do some sustained RPM for a while. Certainly not going to hurt her. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. That's cool. That's a nice car. Hey, I like your car. Is that a Toyota? Is that a Toyota? I like that blue. That's a really nice blue. Let's see. Here it goes. What is that? What is that? I don't know. That's cool. That's pretty cool. What is this person doing? Walking backwards. It's a new form of exercise. The steady backwards walk. What is she doing? It's mystifying. What the heck? I've never seen anything like it. What is this person doing? Maybe she's looking for something. Dropped a contact or something. I don't know. I don't have any answers, Frodo Baggins. A little bit of highway time. Good for what ails ya. Sunsplash. I used to work down here on Arizona Avenue. It was a cool job. It was a really cool job. 2024 is just a kick-ass year for you guys. Every last one of yous. Every last one of yous. Look out for each other out there. And I will see you sometime in the future. I don't know what we're going to do next video-wise. I don't know. Do a little more motovlogging every now and then. Green, you bastard. Anyway, guys, that's enough out of me. Happy New Year. I hope 2024 is a beautiful year for you. I hope it is just G-O-A-J-U-S, gorgeous for y'all. Just a gorgeous year. And I will see you sometime in it. Peace.